Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will be unboxing a proposal box. So my brother is getting married and my sister-in-law proposed to me by giving me a box full of gifts. I will be showing you what I got in this box. I am mainly filming this video just because I treat my YouTube channel as a diary, so when time passes by I can look back and have my memories all over here. But you know, if you're a bride or you're thinking about getting married, you might get some ideas of what to put in this box or how you may propose to your bridesmaids and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the box itself. Can we please just take a moment to appreciate this box? So here is the box. It is a beautiful rose gold box and it has like geometric detailing all over here. I mean, I already opened this, of course, but I just resealed it for the purpose of this video because it is too cute not to film. Let's get unboxing. I am going to put it in front of me over here. And when you open the box, this is the first thing I saw. And it says, Vanessa, will you be our bridesmaid? But this thing was all covered up and I had to scratch it with a coin. And I really love this concept. I mean, it keeps the thing surprise until you actually scratch it and read the question. So that's the proposal. And then as far as gifts, I am going to be showing you what we have. The box was sealed with this pink and white ribbon and it had a cute bow over here. So the first thing you see in the box is this paper where it is a save the date paper. There's just a heart marked on the date. The next thing is this tote bag, which has my initial on in gold crystals, I guess, or diamonds, fake diamonds, I don't know. And I was told that I have to use this on the wedding day just to carry all my stuff, which I will be needing that day. So this might come in handy. Of course, there has to be a sash. And mine says bridesmaid because that's what I will be during the wedding. And then we have a robe. And mine says sister of the groom. Then I have this necklace which says I want you on, and the necklace says team bride, and then there is my initial once again. Guys, I am wearing false lashes today and I had to trim them down because they were too long for my eyes. And now I am constantly running my fingers through my hair and I am randomly finding the trimmings of the lashes stuck into my hair. This is literally disgusting. Oh my god. Since the wedding will be happening during summertime, we got pink flip-flops. And these are great because we get to wear them while we're getting ready and, you know, we're getting our hair done and we're getting our makeup done. So we get to wear these and the robes. And I mean, how cute are they? She just put these pearls over here and they are adorable. Then we got a little something to eat. This is a chocolate and it is covered in this beautiful paper, which once again has my initial on it. Next thing in the box is this pocket, which has my name on it. And then on the back side, it says bridesmaid and the date of the wedding. Then we have a cute little candle. And once again, I have my initial on it and it says bridesmaid over here. And this one smells of vanilla because she knows that I love vanilla. So yes, there's that. Next up, we have a shower gel from the Body Shop and body butter in the matching scent. And these are in the British Rose scent. And then here are my two favorite gifts. So we have a weekly planner. Let me take it out of the plastic so you can see better. and I have been holding myself not to open this until I filmed this video. So it's this cute pink marbled planner, and it is a weekly planner, so you have from Monday to Sunday and the things you just plan your week out here. And it says perfect weekly planner. So apart from it being super cute with rose gold detailing, I am sure that it will be super handy. And along with that planner, I got this thing, and it is my absolute favorite thing which I received in this box. So it is a magnetic case for a diary, and in it it had this planner, which is once again black, and it has written on it, "Make your own magic." But I took that one out and I put the one I am using right now, which is this cactus one. And yes, I am obsessed with this. I just carry it around with me wherever I go. And the thing that I like about this diary, like having a case, is that whenever you put it in your bag or stuff like that, you won't get like the corners crumbled up, so it will stay all nice and fresh. Then the last thing that there is in the box is a hanger, which we will be using on wedding day. So that is everything I had in my proposal box. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope that it will help all the brides to be out there. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below so you won't miss any of my content. And yes, I'll see you in my next one.